Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. And in this video, it is my Things Are Making Thursday video. So I want to address something that I had forgot to bring up for my work in progress video. There's another item I finished, and it is a bag that I made for my granddaughter. I was visiting her mom I was visiting my daughter in Kansas, Lawrence, Kansas, and was visiting with her grandchildren. I gave her some of the stuff I made. Probably one of the recent ones I see. I made the stuffy, like sleeping bag, and I made a bag. So I gave her those. Plus, I gave her a doll I had made for one of my mystery yarn challenges a while back. Just to remind you that the mystery yarn challenge is hosted by Lori over at Armchair Chef. I gave her the doll, but she was stuffing a bunch of stuff in a small, I know it was when I was in the, if you don't know, but I did serve in the military. I was in Germany. I got a little Milka backpack, and she was shoving everything in this little backpack, and it wasn't fitting, so I just, while I was in there, I impromptu made her a bag. My daughter, I recently taught how to crochet, so I used one of her yarns, which sadly she has no room in the house to store yarn, so she's storing it in the garage. That's okay. I was told it was humidity controlled because they store books in the garage too. So anyway, not to try to badmouth my daughter on her storage of yarn. But anyway, I digress. I finished and I made the bag while I was there visiting my daughter in Kansas. So, all right, and that is that. So now it's time to move on for the things we are making Thursday stuff. The stuff I finished. First, I made this. Actually, based off a picture I saw. Not based off a picture, based off a similar, something like this already at my church. So I'm like, I want to make that. I want to duplicate that, and that's what this is. But then, I think this is a butterfly because you fold it in half, and it's a butterfly. All I need is to add the little antenna and stuff, and it would be a butterfly. But we're using it as either a coaster or a little. It was by the dish, so probably a Scrubby. Speaking of Scrubbies, this is an interesting thing I saw on Pinterest. Yeah, it's obviously a long tube of the net stitch, but what you do is that there's obviously a big side and there's a narrower side. So what you do is you roll it up on the inside. So you roll it, and we're going to turn this into a Scrubby. Oh, see, and then at the very end here, we just tuck it in. And there you go. Harry, there you have it. You have a Scrubby for your dishes. And then you could undo it to dry it out. And, oh, this is also finished too. I finished, no pattern for this yet. It's like I could make one. It's a towel with a topper, no button. So it's like a hyperbolic thing. So yeah, it doesn't easily, there, and I made the hole. I made it very, like a hyperbolic edge, and then you just stick it through the hole. And it's a towel, and similar to a dishcloth pattern I did already, that is just 2 single crochets and a single crochet, and you skip a single crochet, 2 in the next one, etc., etc. And at the very end, it's 1 single crochet. So it's 2 single crochet, skip 1, 2 single crochet all the way to the end till it's 1 single crochet. That is your 1 row repeat for this. So that's done. So those are the finished ones. I think the only thing I have unfinished for Things We're Making Thursday is a basket. Oh, gotta be careful here because I think my tank. So yeah, not much progress, just a little. Right, I think I figured out. Sometimes you have an obvious seam where the row ended, and I think it's kind of hard to find. That might be it right there. That might, or is it? Oh. See if you can find where the row ends. Yeah, I think it's right there, but not bad. Not bad at all. So that is it for the basket. Okay. Alright. That is it for the things we're making Thursday stuff. So I'm still kind of waiting on the Mystery Yarn Challenge package to come to me yet. I'll just make sure, so that'll be a future video, will be the unboxing of the yarn. And I'm going to see what inspires me, see if I can get it to fit into the things we're making Thursday theme. I have several, I'm thinking of maybe an apron. I might make an apron. We'll see. Oh, we'll see. Anyway, that is all I have. If you did like this video, please get a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye now. Oh, and if you're still here, FYI, I'm using a different background because the sun is shining where I normally sit to make my videos. So, alright, that's all. Bye.